In this video, we'll discuss about parturition. Parturition. So parturition means delivery of the baby. Delivery of the baby or fetus, whatever the complete development after gastrulation, 9 months, it is ready to deliver of the baby by the help of it is induced neuroendocrine reflex. So that means here in this neuroendocrine reflex, that means neuroendocrine, that means there is a nerves and also there is a chemical substance which are involved. Chemical substance means simply hormone. What are the hormones are involved here? The hormones are, one is relaxin, second one is oxytocin. Relaxin and oxytocin. That means parturition is completed in 2 phases. First phase is called parturition, complete in 2 phases. First one is called dilatation phase. Dilatation phase. What is happened? So for example, if you see that this is the mother womb. Mother womb is having, this is the cervix, and here baby, it is locked. The placenta will be attached here in the fundus region and the baby will be developed here. For example, this is the baby, okay, here. Now the cervix will be occupied with other fluids. The baby is developing and this one is placenta which is attached to the mother uterine wall, and here the cervix will be locked. This is called cervical cap. Cervical cap. Now I said that dilatation phase. Dilatation phase, here main important hormone which is relaxin. This relaxin hormone dilate the cervical cap. So that means it try to relax the area, this dilate the cervical cap. So next, immediately the phase is called expulsion phase. In the expulsion phase mainly involve hormone, that is oxytocin. Once that relaxin helps to dilate the cervical cap, there is a fluid will come through this cervical cap. At the time, that neural system initiate the endocrine system to release that oxytocin. This oxytocin contracts uterine wall. We know that uterine wall, second layer is myometrium. So second layer, that is composed with smooth muscle. This smooth muscle is involuntary, you know that. So that involuntary smooth muscle contracts the uterine walls. It try to expel the baby. So now the babies are, mother will get some pain. That pains are called labor pain. Labor pains means whatever the contractions are happened, baby will be opposite that contractions, it will get, then mother will get the pains, that is called labor pain. This is very important, labor pains will come, and after that oxytocin will be initiated, the baby coming out. After expulsion phase, the baby is finally released from mother womb and placenta separated from mother. So this is the end of parturition. So once again I will repeat, parturition is the process of delivery of the baby. It induces the neuroendocrine reflex. That neural and endocrine systems will be initiated 2 hormones, that is relaxin and oxytocin. So during parturition, it is completed in two phases. The one phase will be dilation phase. In the dilation phase, the hormone relaxin dilate the cervical cap. In the diagram, you will see that cervical cap will be dilated. It releases some secretions. Next phase will be expulsion phase. Once the dilation phase is completed, neural system initiated that second hormone to the endocrine, that is oxytocin. Oxytocin contracts that uterine wall, which is composed with second layer is composed with smooth muscles. Involuntary reaction, it will be contracts that uterine wall to opposite the baby. Mother will get the pains, that is called labor pains, and finally the baby is delivered. So this process is called parturition. I hope you understand. Thank you.